Right guys, just come to Lidl. Let's go and see what we can make tonight. Grab a basket and let's get to it. Right, grab yourself some of these miniature potatoes and they're only 85p. Next, grab yourself some red onions. Now you want to get some meat. So I'm going to go some of this diced chicken breast. You can get it uncut and it'll be a lot cheaper, but to be honest, I can't be bothered cutting it. So I'm going to get this for £3.15. And if you do want to keep the price really down, get yourself them £2.25 for small chicken breasts. Right, next on the list, we're going to get some bacon again. You can pick any bacon you want, the cheap one, the medium one, the thin one, the fat one. I'm going to go for the more expensive one, and I'm going to get smoked bacon, and it is £2.49. And just so people are aware, again, there is a cheaper version of the bacon, £1.45. And finally, going to grab myself one of these summer seasonings. You've got hickory barbecue, and you've got sticky Chinese, 55p. I'm going for smoky barbecue. So as I've got no one to cook this up, I guess I'm going to have to do it myself. Right, so I'm back home now, guys. There are my ingredients. So we've got some bacon, we've got some chicken, the red onions, the potatoes, and the smoky barbecue marinade seasoning. So what we're going to do is we're going to be making chicken and bacon, loaded potatoes. Now you could add cheese to this if you really want to, or you could add red peppers, mushrooms. It doesn't matter what you want to add on it. It's just everyone's preference. I'm going for this. So first off, I'm going to get all the marinade over my chicken, diced chicken, a lot quicker to do. Once you put the marinade in, you want to get your hands and give that a really good mix up. Get them flavours all incorporated into the chicken. And don't forget, guys, once you've handled chicken, you've got to wash your hands. Otherwise you'll get salmonella. While the chicken's getting loads of flavour in it, we're going to just stick our potatoes into a bowl with a little tiny bit of water in. This is actually a microwave bowl, and we're going to stick that in the microwave. I think you need around about 5 minutes, then 5 minutes. So around about 10 minutes in total. And guys, don't forget to follow for more meal ideas. While the potatoes are cooking away, we're going to just chop our onions up. Doesn't matter how you cook them up. I just like to cook them like this. There we go, all nicely chopped up. And all we're going to do with that now is we're going to stick it into our air fryer. If you've not got an air fryer, stick it in a frying pan. Then on top of that, we're going to get our marinated chicken. There we go. Just bish that in like so. Give that a shake. Give it a really good shake. And get that straight into the air fryer. There we go. Straight in. Get it on for around about 20 minutes. Set it to. Okay, so we've got about 10 minutes left now. And what we're going to do is we're going to add our bacon. Just get that thrown in there. Doesn't matter how you put it, how you cut it. It doesn't make a difference. Just get it in. Give it a mix around. There you go. And then all you need to do now is drain your potatoes off, which should be really soft now for the microwave, and get those added. And leave those on the top there, and I'm going to give them a shake in about 5 minutes. Ready to get out. Look at that. Loaded mini potatoes. We've gone for chicken, bacon, and onions. Smells amazing with a barbecue marinade sauce on there. So we're going to get some of that onto a plate. You'll get loads of juice in there as well. Oh, look at that. That's a massive portion. And we've still got some left over. There it is, guys. Give it a try. You never know, you might like it. Okay, let's give it a try then. And don't forget, guys, if you do want to watch these videos live cooking, we do them on Facebook, so make sure you're following. Absolutely banging.